Hi, I'm John Gallagher, and greetings from Boston. A quick thank you to the faculty and students who are already learning through my text, and thank you so much for those that are considering the text for adoption. I'm really proud to have been one of the first Flat World authors. I was a first-generation college student myself, and it's great to work with the folks that I really see as wearing the white hats in the academic publishing industry. But the main reason I wrote the text was to excite students about the opportunities at the intersection of business and tech, to help students understand how firms are using tech to compete and win today, to develop a competent ability to understand today's tech, and to build a toolkit for durable managerial and tech decision-making even as industries and technologies change. I've been fortunate to have had some unique experiences, and I've tried to leverage these in ways that share what I've learned with others. As founder of our Tech Trek field study programs, I've regularly traveled with my students to learn from entrepreneurs, investors, and some of the most senior people in the tech industry. My students and I were at the launch of the original iPhone. We've spent time learning about the payments industry revolution at Starbucks, the intersection of tech and fashion at Rent the Runway. We've seen Facebook's growth through their shifting headquarters year after year. And we've spent time with Google, not only at their headquarters, but also at their offices in Boston, New York, Seoul, Dublin, and Ghana, where Google opened its first AI research center in sub-Saharan Africa. Now, most rewarding has been the opportunity where my former students have hosted current students, both in large and emerging tech firms, as well as firms that my former students and our other young alumni entrepreneurs have founded. Now, I really hope that this holistic approach to teaching durable thinking about business and technology resonates with you and your students. Your students will see how tech and accounting dovetail at Amazon, where inventory systems and robotics combine to offer the firm unrivaled cash advantages and have propelled Bezos to the world's richest CEO. They'll see how tech and the law come together and change the media landscape at Netflix and its competitors. How AI creates opportunity as well as concerns about racial and gender bias. And the promise and peril of social media and big data, the growing and complex security landscape, and how tech can provide more ethical and more empowering business practices. Now, I continue to stay close to the state of the art in practice, and I'm fortunate to teach in a city that houses leading tech firms, key regional offices, and dev centers, attracting visiting executives, investors, and hosting a thriving entrepreneurship scene. I continue to update the text every year based on what I learn, maintaining the structure of the text, but adding emerging concepts and refreshing examples and data. Now, in addition to teaching managerial courses, I'm also a technologist. I teach software developers in a zero to full stack iOS development course. I also teach physical computing modules and other classes. You'll find more information on this on my YouTube channel, and you'll find other materials that I share outside of the formal Flat World offerings, including videos on inspiring tech figures from underrepresented groups, exercises in Excel, self-guided tutorials in robotics, engineering, hardware, maker projects, and app development, as well as all of my personal slides and teaching materials. I'm also very active on social media, sharing things that give me those tech goosebumps and that I hope that you find useful and that your students find inspiring and interesting. So good luck with your decision. Do reach out if I can be helpful, and also reach out to any of my wonderful Flat World colleagues if they can provide you with help too. I'd be honored to help you provide a better experience for your students. Thanks very much.